Hello everybody, welcome to Top Drives. Today we're gonna play Legendary. We're off to a very bad start. Oh! Oh my god! 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 Top Drives! Top Drives! Oh! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I recorded it this time too. Holy shit. Yes, we can filter legendaries. I didn't have to do that. There was only 5 cars. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, my 7th legendary. Insane. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna assume, I don't know what 1 star looks like, but I'm gonna guess it's gonna be like 185, 3-1, or maybe 3. I think it's 3. 185, 397. That's my guess. Which is still great stats. Holy shit. It's not very light though. That's kind of heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe it. I just pulled a legendary. Holy shit. Alright guys. I'll see you guys in the next Top Drives video. I swear this was not scripted. That was a ceramic pack. This seems way too perfect. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.